drumming session. Today we are going to do our second class of summer. The first line is da zo yo zo da zo yo da zo yo zo da zo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But the first part is da zo yo zo da zo yo da zo yo zo da zo. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Five, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second part is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And on 6 you hit with your right hand while your left hand is facing to your left side slant. And on 7 you hit with your left hand while your right hand is facing to your right side slant. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Five, 6, 7, 8.